Hey guys, Ricky Mateka here, and I'd like to welcome you to WP Snapper version 2.0. This is my affiliate domination engine. We are releasing this bad boy in 2 days. I'm talking about countless nights of development and pretty much sleepless nights from yours truly right here. So let's log in quick. Now, WP Snapper has been reinvented from the ground up. Alright, it works with all major storage platforms. Okay, it's been redone, okay, and reinvented. So let me show you what I mean. Alright, so under the system setup, you quickly add cPanel accounts, and you can add as many as you like. It also works with Amazon S3, so you can add as many Amazon S3 accounts as you like. All you need to do is just plug in your info. We double check that we can connect, and it automatically creates a bucket in your Amazon S3 account, and then you can back up and deploy right to that bucket, okay, with our redone, okay, and re-envisioned wizard. All right, so that you have your external accounts too as well. Okay, you can authorize Dropbox, and you can authorize Google Drive, so you can back up and store and deploy right from Dropbox or Google Drive. So you don't have to worry about using Amazon S3 if you don't have access to that. And actually, we are also built in the ability to use our own Amazon in case the customer doesn't have access. So this is a seamless integration. Okay, the tokens have been reinvented. All right, and what I mean about tokens is what WP Snapper excels at. It excels at deploying a custom configuration per affiliate site. So say you have an Amazon site or a ClickBank site or a CPA site or an offline site. Well, in version 1.0, you can only put a bunch of tokens in at one time, and then you would have to just manually fish through them to pick the right configuration settings in order when you're deploying the site. Well, in WP Snapper 2.0, you don't have to do that anymore. You have something called token sets. So you can create a specific token set for a specific site that has all your configuration variables that are specific to that one site. All right, so it's as simple as adding tokens and just clicking the plus button and the minus button and then just adding the tokens. So as you can see, I'm managing my tokens for a PR4 token set. All right, so now if I go back here, I may have a token set for my Amazon site configurations, my ClickBank sites, and you can manage and add the tokens there. Okay, so this gives you ultimate power. Now, say you have clients you're doing this for, you have custom themes, custom plugins, custom configuration sets for review sites. No problem with WP Snapper 2.0. You just plug them in as a new token set, add your tokens, and then during the wizard, you're able to go. The upload manager is very seamless. You can do an Amazon S3 upload, or you can do a Google Drive or Dropbox upload. If you click that, you basically just put a name, so just a quick name, and then you select what you want to upload to. Dropbox, and say Google Drive. So say I want to do Dropbox. You select your backup file, and then you're gonna go. So let's just select something here so I can just show you. Let's just select this for now. Start the upload, and what this is doing now, this is actually connecting right to Dropbox, and this is going to put this on Dropbox for later deploying. So basically, when you're installing with the wizard, it's going to be deployed. So give that a second. It's connecting right now, and this does it with Google Drive and Amazon S3. So you have the ultimate power of using this one simple uploader to do all the stuff you need. Okay, and as you can see, there we go. It will be over here with the size. Now, we're selling WP Snapper on a storage base set. So we're giving out 5 gigabit license, 10 gigabit license, or unlimited gigabyte license. Okay, so that's going to depend on what kind of backups you're going to be doing and what kind of storage you actually need to use the system. So let's go back to the dashboard and just do a new quick site. So let's do a new install, and let's name this new Snapper site. All right, so maybe this is for a client, or maybe it's a review site. I press the save button. All right, so it's been added. So I click here, and the wizard has been reinvented. So we press the continue button, and all we gotta do is select key. So we're gonna select our cPanel account. We're gonna select the template. So say this is my Dropbox. This is my Dropbox upload. This is my Google Drive upload. All right, and then I can just put in a quick name like Snapper Demo or something like that, right? So what this does is, it's going to go create a subdomain on your behalf, or you can use this to add add-on domains to your cPanel account. Okay, put the password in. So put a test. Okay, and then here is where it gets really powerful, because you set up your tokens. So now I'm going to select what token set I want to deploy for this site. So if I want to set up my PR4 token set, it'll come back with all my tokens. Now, what's really awesome about that is that basically you can have you dynamically configure your WordPress site beforehand with these tokens, and then you assign them. So say you screwed up and you want to do your ClickBank site configurations. Okay, well there's no token stored in there, but yeah, like so. Well, you get the drift. You're basically going to cycle through whatever tokens you want to install. So now I'm going to press the save the configurations, and if I was done, it's basically going to come with all the configurations for that and tells you exactly what's going to go on. So you can either edit it or go on. So let's go install the site. So right now it's installing, creating the database. Okay, it's creating the demo subdomain, and remember you can do this with add-on domains. So the installation process has been redone as well. It's processing my Dropbox backup file, so it's actually going to Dropbox, it's reading it down, and it's going to install and deploy it for you. So just wait for that to go for a second. Now it's uploading to the site. Okay, it's completed. And I mean, this is like no tech required. I mean, you basically set your tokens, set your Dropbox, set your Google Drive, set your Amazon S3 accounts, and just let this rip, okay? You can build as many sites as fast and how many of them you want. You can use this for your clients. You can use this for anything, pretty much anything. Affiliate domination. Like I said, one dude came up to me and said he made $35,000 using my version 1, and when he sees this software, which he hasn't seen yet, he's gonna go nuts, because basically this gives you a little bit, a lot more control and over the whole system. So that was successful. We'll click the success, and then we can go just check out the site quick that it just built. So it just built this site really fast. Okay, and then, this would be your tokens or whatever. Okay, so let me show you the reinvented backup plugin. I'll be right back. Now this is where it gets even more powerful. See, the backup plugin has been reinvented. It used to be just a one-click backup, and then you would have to download it and then upload it to Snapper. Well, here's what's ultra cool. This seamlessly integrates with your Snapper 2.0 account. So what you would do is you come to your settings, and then you put in your Snapper account information. If you want to be able to store to an FTP account, an Amazon S3 account, if you want to store to a Dropbox, do you want to store to a Google Drive, the same options exist in the backup. So you can come over here and you can see what backups have been done. You can download them or delete them. And it's as quick as pretty much pressing a button. So say I want to store on a local server and I just press start the backup. It's actually going out right now with a progress bar and it's going to create a backup. Now what's really ultra sweet about this is now what it's doing is once the backup is done, wherever you stored it, whether it be Dropbox, Google Drive, or FTP account or whatever, it's sending your Snapper account that link, okay, that file. So then basically Snapper will have access to deploy it now. You can even do this with scheduling. So if you want to come over here to Snapper backup, create a new schedule, you basically just do a new backup schedule. Okay, the backup type is going to be, you want to do maybe just database only. That's for your own usage. It has nothing to do with Snapper. Snapper cannot just take database only files. All right, you have backup interval, twice monthly, twice weekly, daily, hourly. So it would be twice monthly. So we can schedule it to run, let's say tomorrow. Okay, and then we're gonna store it on a local server. We add the schedule. So what this does is it goes and it adds the schedule, and basically, here it is. So basically, we have the interval, next run, the destination, local server, and it's going to tell you when it's going to run on. So it's going to run on 8:07. All right. So the start date was 7/24. We have it running on pretty much, well, you know. So anyway, so basically, now as this goes and runs, okay, on your website, it's actually going to take the file and store it with your Snapper account without you having to do anything. So when you come over here and then you go to your uploads, you'll be able to manage your uploads right here. Okay, so you'll see what's been stored over here, and then you can actually deploy them, because once they're in the Snapper system, now you can use the wizard to go ahead and deploy them. So I mean, the power is basically all in the configuration. All right, it makes it super simple for anybody to use any storage device. Okay, backup, deploy. Okay, any website they possibly can dream of with WordPress. Okay, it's really that simple. So I hope you enjoyed this short video demo of WP Snapper 2.0. There are some more features under development, but I think, you know, right here, what we have right here is super powerful, and it's gonna blow away. It's pretty much, there's nothing on the market right now that can do what WP Snapper 2.0 can do. I have not seen it. Okay, so I know you customers get very excited. I'm very excited to release this bad boy. It's been reinvented, and thank you for watching this video. Okay, take care.